thanks for popping by and checking out the final finished project. I've got my wall hanging all done. It's the garden wall hanging we've been making on our live crochet along series. I've even got the hangers on. We have a tutorial for that coming this Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. And I'll also be showing you how to put a fabric backing on it if that's something you want to add to your wall hanging or wall hangings down the road. I am delighted with the way this came out. It's got a magical feel to it. It's got little gnomes, there are garden mushrooms, there's big flowers, little flowers, and of course a little collection of birdhouses, all ready for some cute little birds to move in. This is exactly what I wanted to put up on my wall. It just says cozy, it says cute, it says a little bit of whimsy, and that's our home. So I hope you enjoyed making this project along with us. We've got the entire project playlist, including all of the little appliques that I included in this project, linked in the description box down below. So we've got the whole playlist, and then we've got some of the individual patterns as individual tutorial links. But all of the different playlist links are there. And of course, we've got tons of different appliques. So if you wanted to make yours more unique or a little different or a completely different theme, the sky's the limit. It is such a fun kind of project, and I'll definitely be making more of these down the road. So we hope you had a lovely time working on this along with us, and more fun to come. Have a great week. Stay crafty, stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Bye guys!
Hi everyone, this is Mama in Stitches. Thank you for watching. Here are a few other videos you might enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can also click the like button and the bell. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.